Hey guys, Jason with the Woodline Toy Company. Sorry it's been a couple weeks since I did my last video. Some things have come up and had to take care of them, but we're good to go now. So this week I decided that I would work on something that I've had on the back burner for a while, the farm animals. I designed these a few years ago. For some reason, I don't know what happened, but decided not to do them. This year, just like every year, I try to make about 2 or 3 different types of toys each year, bring them in, and add them to the fold. So I will be showing you the horse, the pig, the cow, and of course, no farm is complete without the sheep. So just wanted to show you this real quick. I will be going through here, showing you how I make everything, and of course, as always, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also like me on Facebook and Instagram. Just look under the Woodline Toy Company, you'll find me there. Thanks a lot. Well guys, here they are, the finished product. I hope you liked watching that. Just to let you know, as far as the paint goes, really doesn't matter how you guys paint it. Any style, as far as like, this one here, I just put the dots, or smears I guess you want to call it, on there. And then assorted colors you guys use. I always recommend using a non-toxic acrylic craft paint that you can find any local hobby store. And then I also use a non-toxic clear coat on this as well, just to help make sure that it stays good looking for a very long time. Also, I forgot to put on there when I was drilling the holes, I also put wheels on these. I usually use 1.25 inch with a 1/4 inch dowel rod in there. I do use glue for this part just to make sure the wheels don't fall off, but of course, again, I use a non-toxic glue on that as well. I hope you liked watching it. I loved making them. I'm very glad I brought them back again. Thanks for watching, and again, if you guys can, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And then also like me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks a lot. Have a great night.